everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guarantee RV. Today we're going to go over a brand new 2020 Catalina. This is the 212 BHS. So we're going to start off going over the interior features and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me. Absolutely outstanding floor plan. We're going to do great with this. So you get a little slide in a small trailer. So you've got your booth dinette, full walk around queen, tall cabinets for hanging items, lots of storage. Now of course we've got storage below the bed that everybody wants to see it. We've got some USB and 110 outlets over there, and on this side we just have the 110. Nice kitchen counter, 3-burner stove, microwave hood combination, good storage up above. And one of the things I like about the Catalina is their colors. Pretty light and neutral interior. Nice big sink there, double. And fridge freezer combo, of course. Circuit breaker fuse box below. Nice cabinetry all throughout the kitchen here. So it's a lot of storage. So what's going to attract a lot of people to this trailer, I think, will be the size, the fact that you get a full walk around queen, and you've got nice bunks here. This lower bunk does have a door that opens to the outside, so you can bring larger items in and store them on the bunk. Let's take a quick look. Take a quick look at the bathroom here. So we've got a nice tub shower combination with a skylight, medicine cabinet, and actually some really cool storage here behind the shower there. And then you've got plenty of room to store your items and use your sink here. Really functional bathroom in such a small trailer. Large grab handle, nice and easy to get in and out. And as we can see, this outside awning, electric awning, is going to go practically the entire length of the trailer. It's incredible. So we do have some 110 power if we need to plug anything in outside. We've got our water heater on the door side of the trailer. We've got our full-size bumper, and it's sucked kind of right up to the flush with the back of the trailer, so that'll keep your exterior length down for nice for when you go to register it. Stabilizers on all 4 corners. Your outside hot and cold shower there here on the back. You've got LED lights inside and out, and then we are pre-wired for a backup camera as well. Here's that door that gives you access inside here, and this bunk here pins up. There's pins on both sides. I apologize, there's actually just a pin on this side. And that holds the bed up, and then you can put bicycles, coolers, bigger items that you might not be able to get in your bay doors and store them in here. Of course, it's locking. So as we move around to the front, that there is access for the refrigerator here. This is going to be just like it says, cable and satellite. And then this is your 30 amp power cord. These guys don't use a removable on this trailer. They have one that just gets tucked away when you're done with it. As we move towards the front, potable water is going to go in the top, city water is going to go in the bottom. So if you're dry camping, this is where you'll put your water to take it with you. And if you're going to be staying in a park, you'll hook your hose right up here. Here's the back side of a full pass-through. So this is underneath the bed here. It is separated though from the stuff in the bed, so you can keep your items separate. And here up front, get one last look at the brand new 2020 212 BHS Catalina. Again, my name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot for checking out Guarantee's website. Have a great day.